Life is hard for everyone, but those who live in addiction face silent battles daily. In the mind, body, and soul. Waking up without purpose, sleeping without peace. But something breaks the cycle. True desire to change is the first step. Rebuilding Paths, a guide to transformation. It speaks to those who struggle. It comforts those who love. It guides those who care. You are not your mistake. Drugs were a path, but there is another. Healing is possible. The hero who fell can rise again. The inner healer can awaken. If you hear this now, it's no accident. There's a part of you that believes. You can. You deserve. You will. Rebuilding Paths, a journey to drug freedom. Every path back starts within you.